Hey friends, so today I wanted to review this little press-on nail by Noval. I have no nails on because I took them off. So it brings a nail dial. So cute. This is just so you can cut the nails to whatever size you want. I do like this. I kind of want to open it. Let's see. Ooh, I like that the nails stay here, so you have and then this is so you can cut it. I don't know how to put this in there. But I like this because then the nails don't fly everywhere and smack you in the face. Then I have, brings a little press-on stand. This is what I'm mostly excited about. Okay, it doesn't fall off, which is what I wanted. So it'd be like this, and you can put your little press-ons. Put your little press-ons right here. If you need this, you take it off, put it back on. But it doesn't come off. And then it also brings some press-on nails that you can use. And this is great because I just want to practice to begin with. And it has tape. I like when things have tape. I mean, I like it because then it's like nothing spills. At the same time, I really don't like taking tape off. This shape, oh my gosh. This shape is beautiful. Wow, this is a 5 of 2. I always like to look at the pinkies. That's too small. That's too small. Oh my gosh. Wow. This shape is amazing. My son is under me and he's a mess. But this shape, wow. I'm so excited for this. So excited. Oh no, I put that in the wrong one. It was supposed to be here. This is great. So it was, all of it was $17, and I brought all these nails. And I guess I didn't bend it or anything. Let's see. But I feel like they have, like, they're thick. Like, they're not that, like, I'm trying to bend. Oh, I got it. They're not that hard to bend. And when you put it back, it goes right back. I mean, it has a little bit of wear and tear, but let's be honest. Are you going to be bending your nails like that? No, you're not. And also I'm going to put like top coat, clear coat. So I'm going to, you know, make this stronger. So it's not going to just bend like this. Like, why would you bend your nails like that? I always find when people do that funny, but they are pretty sturdy. So I really had to apply force there to bend that. So that's cool. I'm not going to put that back there. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Let's see what else it brings. Here to the last few things. It brings some glue. Oh, broke that a little bit too much. So your typical glue, you cut it, you use it, you move on with your life. This is YDD Bond Nail Glue. So this is for your nail. And the last thing that it brings, so, is your little adhesive. So you can put your press-ons on your adhesive. So you take this out. No, you don't need that many, you only need one. And you take one of these little things. I think that's a lot. I might have to like do two. You put it on. Oh, that's still a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay, so one of these little tabs would be enough for more than one. So note to self, these will last me a good while. And I stick it in there. Look at that. That's cute. I'm so excited. Okay. And then I will put that back here. I'll take these. Oh, I dropped that. Glue it right there. Take this one, roll, 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 roll. Glue, glue, glue. Oh, press, press, press. And then I could just, I love that you could just take this out, because if you need to get on some fine details, put that right back down. And there we go. I'm so excited. Okay, and then this, I don't know if these have to be stored in a Ziploc bag. I mean, this is not airtight. It's just out there. So I'm just gonna store it the way they have it. But let me know if storing it in a Ziploc bag is the best way to go for this. Because if it is, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm excited for this. And that's everything. So this is everything that it brings. I don't think I could get everything in the frame. So this is everything you get. You get your glues, you get your cutter, your sticky tab, your holder, and your nails. And I mean, you can do a lot with this. So I'm really excited because I've done a few sets of press-ons, and right now, last time I did the set, it was not this easy because I didn't have it on a stand. I was honestly using some pushers. I love these pushers from the dollar store. So this is what I was using, and I have tape. I know. I have tape, and then I would just put like the little nail on it. So something like this. And then it was like that. That's how I did that. And it was such a pain. So this, it's already so much more easy. I mean, if there's different ones of these that you like best, let me know. But for right now, this is what I'm gonna use because it was all $17 and it was pretty expensive. And I'm very about how can I get the most amount of product for the least amount of money, because you know the whole point of this little thing that I started is to not spend a lot of money because I was spending way too much money in the salon. So this is pretty awesome. All right. All right, and these are some that I got done. How cute are they? Just imagine this on. Ugh. So cute.